Hello guys, good morning. Good morning. Pak! Mga kauban. My last journey to 83 miles of the last but not the least runner. Mga guwapa ko mga friendship guys. Padlimig sang Buanga karon. Kaya unyang gabi, wala ka namig barko going to Sulu.
So, end up mga guys.
Aray! Dili, welcome to the guys. Ay! Oh my, Bye for now. Morning. Nakauban ako. We're going to Zamboanga. Then, Sulu. Good morning, Dakbayan.
Naman.
Bound for Zamboanga. Then laag me later. Then unyang gabi, we're going to Sulu. Hi! Welcome to Zamboanga City. Mga pretty, we're going to Santa Cruz Island. Dito na kami ngayon sa Zamboanga City. Dito kami sa Paseo del Mar. Paseo del Mar, right po? Okay. Thank you.
Yes, diba?
Yes. Pretty akong friend, all the way from airport.
Balikbayan, friend.
Balikbayan. Pak. Ito sa orientation, guys. So, orientation sa karon. Muna yung place. Orientation din sa Paseo. Sa may mag-busy tayo. Marlon. Filipino.
Capital JN from City Tourism Office. Hello po.
Hello.
Santa Cruz Island, Nolas Peak Island is under protected area, landscape and seascape. Ibig sabihin, lupa at saka dagat, land and sea. Protected area siya. Kakaiba.
Thank you.
So, yes po.
So, punta na kami ng Santa Cruz Island.
Sabi, asa ka ba kitag maleta sa dagat pa yun?
Pak. Uy, ay! Ako na saan? Ivory daw. Saan kami po? Ivory. Ayun, sa kabila. Ito yung Ivory? Yung sasakyan namin, Going to Santa Cruz Island. Ito yung sasakyan namin. Ilang minutes po from here going to Santa Cruz? 15 minutes ride. So, God bless. guys, welcome to Santa Cruz Island.
In Zamboanga City. It's our first time. It's my first time here.
Me too. Yeah, it's my first time here actually. Though in Zamboanga City, pang third time ko na. But here in...
Ikaw na today, at isang outfit pandagat na ano.
Bingka! Yes, ang among friend. Oh. Pak! Pak! Aray!
Ang pamaleta ni Auntie.
Sarah Juni break of mal.
Uwian na. Tapos na kami dito sa sa Santa Cruz Island. Oh, fuck. Pretty akong friend. Hello! Good afternoon and welcome to the fourth pilar dito sa Zamboanga. Yung isa dyan, oh, busy. Bumibili ng malo. Alfred. So, ito yung area.
And also for protection and for the health offered by children and children and Mrs. For the soul of William Reyes, offered by Carmelita Lau and family. Prayer for the soul of Jamaica Lagmay, offered by Carmelita Lau and family.